Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB for the preparation of SAT, GMAT and GRE. Look at my selection. I have selected 5 questions. All they have different directions to be taken to solve them. They are not parallel, they are entire parallel, they are perpendicular. Variety of the questions. Let's see and find out. Number 1, when z is divided by 8, z is an integer. When divided by 8, the remainder is 5. The remainder is 5. What is the remainder? When 4 times z is divided by 8. 4 times z is divided by 8. Z is an integer divided by 8 gives us a remainder of 5. When an integer z is divided by 8 gives us a remainder 5. Then we are asked to find the remainder when 4 times z is divided by 8. 4 times z is divided by 8. We are asked to find the remainder in that case. Mostly people take a tip 8 plus 5, at least z is equal to 13, but this tip is not going to pay off in such type of questions. To be really very honest, apply deviation algorithm. Z can be written as, suppose table of 8 is applicable on z m times. It will become 8 times L plus a remainder. We have assumed that when we divide z by 8, table of 8 is applicable on z m times. It is quotient, it is divisor, it is remainder. Quotient, remainder, divisor. That is the value of z. That's the value of z we have prepared. Just plug in the value of remainder. That is 5. 8 times m plus 5. Now we have prepared the value of z. Value of z, it is going to work wonder. Just plug in here. Now 4 times z. 4 value of z is 8 times m plus 5. Tiny manipulation, 32m, 4 5 the 20. Now this is 4z. Now we have to divide with 8. Divide by 8. It is divisible by 4. There is no remainder. Here is the remainder tip. 1 8 the 8, 2 8 the 16, 3 8 the 24, 2 8 the 16. When we divide 20 by 8, we get 2 whole and the remainder is 2 8 the 16, remainder is 4. When 20 is divided by 8, we get the remainder 4. 2 8 the 16. So in that case, our remainder is 4. When z is a number, when it is divided by 8, gives us a remainder 5. When we divide 4z by 8, it gives us a remainder of 4. That is the way to prepare a tiny application from the number theory, deviation algorithm. Z, we have assumed that m times table of 8 is applicable on z, and remainder plus remainder, it is remainder of 5. 8 times m plus remainder 5, that's the value of z we have prepared. Then plug in the value of 4z and find the remainder. In that case, remainder is 4. That's a wonderful tip to solve all such type of questions, elegantly present in good type of competitive exams, at good examinations. Moving towards next question, moving towards question number 2. A 3-digit code is made up of 3 different digits from the set of the positive even integers 2, 4, 6 and 8. If 2 is always the first digit in the code, how many 3 different codes can be formed if each digit is used once and only once? Repetition is not allowed. A 3-digit code, that's 1 place, 2nd place, 3rd place. We have to prepare a code containing 2, 4, 6, 8. Another restriction on us, we have to face a constraint that first digit must be 2. So first already filled with 2. First digit first digit of the code must be 2, always 2. Now there is a brawl dispute between these two places. Now 2 is no more. We have 4, 6, 8, and repetition is not allowed. Each digit used once. Each digit used once. For this place to be filled, I have 3 possibilities. Whether I plug in 4, 6 or 8, there are 3 possibilities. After taking another digit from these two, I am left with 2 choices. 3 to the 6. We have 6 choices to make a 3-digit code from the digits 2, 4, 6, 8, where first digit is always 2. Let me show you how it is possible. Here 4 and 6, commute them, 6, 4, then 6, 8, 8, 6, 4, 8, 8, 4, how many? 2, 4, 6, and first digit is always 2. These are the 6 different combination in that case, comprising the digits 2, 4, 6, 8, where we have been restricted that first digit must be 1, must be 2 always, as is the case that has been mentioned here. So we have 6 different possibilities to make such code. Moving towards next question, we have question number 3. In a triangle ABC below, it has been mentioned on the right hand side, if AB is equal to 4, then AC we are asked to find, and we have given an exterior angle and one interior angle. Let me draw this sketch again. Figure is not drawn to scale, as has been mentioned, that is 60 degree, it's 150 degrees. Name them, it's A, C and B. Furthermore, we have given AB is equal to 4. This side is of 4. We are asked to find AC. AC we are interested in, AC. Number 1 possibility to undo this question, this complete a straight line measures 180. That's 150. So it must be 30 degrees. 60, 30. Obviously, it is a 90 angle. It's 90 angle. Means we have a right angle triangle. Utilizing the fact straight line measures 180. Straight lines measure 180. 150 is mentioned to us. 150 plus 30, it will become 180. Now 60, 30, 90 from triangle point of view, it is of 90. So we have a right triangle having measures 30, 60 and 90. Their angle ratio is always 0, 0 cancel, applying table of 2, 1 ratio 2 ratio 3. Number one this is the ratio of their angles, and the side of 30, 60, 90 right triangle are 1 root 3 and 2. These are the ratio of the sides. These are the ratios of the side. A straight line completely measures 180. Exterior angle is of 150. That's 30. 60, it must be 90. Cool concept. Number 1. Number 2, R1 can directly approaches there by utilizing the fact that exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior non-adjacent angles. This 150 is equal to the sum of non-adjacent. This is adjacent angle of 150, non-adjacent interior angles. A and angle A and B are not at interior non-adjacent angles according to 150. So 60, what should be added in 60 to get 150? It's 90. So it is also 30. That is the other way around to solve this or this. When we have angles in ratio 30, 60, 90 means 1 ratio 2 ratio 3. If 30, 60, 90, 30, 60, 90, 30, 60, 90, then their sides ratio is 1 ratio under root 3 ratio 2. Okay, now Smallest angle is 30. Opposite to 30, it is 4. Means it has been multiplied by 4. Multiply this quantity with 4 as well. 4 under root 3. 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. And AC. AC is opposite to 90. It's our hypotenuse and it is the biggest side. That is equal to A. So AC is equal to 8. AC is equal to 8. We have done nothing. Just utilize pure geometry than trigonometry. Complete angle measure 30. 180. It's 180. What is these two angles must be supplementary. It is 150. By adding 30, it will become 180. Now supplementary angles. From triangle point of view, 60-30, it must be of 90. It must be of 90. Whenever we have a right triangle having angles 30, 60, 90 are there, angles ratio 1, ratio 2, ratio 3, then the corresponding sides have the ratio 1, ratio under root 3, ratio 2. The smallest, second largest, the largest. It must be hypotenuse. You can say these are the legs, maybe base and perpendicular, whatever the case. It is of 4, just multiply them for 4 times under root 3, 4 to the 8. So AC measures 8 units. 8 units. 8 unit in that case. Moving towards next question, we have moving towards question number next. C steric D. C star D is given by C minus D over C, where C does not equal to 0 because division with 0 is not allowed in mathematics. We are asked to find 12 star 3. These are wonderful questions in modern mathematics, modern day mathematics. You have to do nothing except follow the given rule. C minus D divided by D. C minus D divided by C. That is the formula to do away with steric. How to remove steric? It is given to us. It is given to us. Just we have to follow this rule. Now we are asked to find 12 steric 3. Compare. Here we have C is equal to 12 and D is equal to 3. We have C is equal to 12, C is equal to 12 and D is equal to 3. Simple comparison. The expansion formula or whatever their formula is, we have to follow this rule. We have to follow this rule. Just plug in C 12, D 3 divided by RC is 12. RC is 12 in that case. 12. 12 minus 3, it's 9. 9 divided by 12. Sorry, 9 divided by 12. It will become 3 over 4. It will become 3 over 4. Our answer is 3 over 4 in that case. Such type of questions are prevalent in modern day mathematics. Do nothing except follow the direction. Follow the direction. That is the way to expand steric. It is not a hard and fast or general rule. Whatever they mention, just follow this. That is C steric D is equal to C minus D divided by C. It's cool. Now compare them. We have C is equal to 12, D is equal to 3. Just plug in value of C and D. 12 minus 3 divided by 2. C is 12, D is 3. 12 minus 3, 9. 9 divided by 2, 12. They are not related to prime. Applying table of 3 times and table of 3 on 12 4 times. 3 over 4 is our answer. Moving towards next question, we have final question. There is a certain relationship between each pair given on either side of the proportion symbol. Identify the relationship and find the missing tone. We have C 16, you can say ratio, just 4 dots shows proportion but not in real sense. Here question mark. Here some relation exists between them. It is not just ratio solve them. 16 divided by C divided by 16 is equal to F divided by X solve for X. It is not the case. It is not the case. It is not the case. There is a certain relationship. It is not mentioned that it is a ratio proportion. There is a certain relationship. Relationship is prevalent here. Relationship is prevalent here. We have to undo. We have to crack this code to get to the question mark. C 16 F question mark. C 16 F question mark. Look at this. C. It is the third letter of the alphabet. And 16 is the square of 4. C is the third letter. 16 is the square of the next number. 4 square means 16. Here, if you count A, B, C, D, E, F, it is the sixth letter. It is the sixth letter. So there must be square of the next number. 49. 49 is our answer in that case. 49 is our answer in that case. It is not a regular ratio or proportion. There is some relation that we have just correct. That's the third letter. 16 means 4 square. Third and the next numbers square. Here F is the sixth letter, F is the sixth letter, F the sixth letter. Next integer is 7. Square of 7 is 49. So 49 is the required figure to be inserted here. See you in the next frame.